Part 2, beginning the construction of the final model of the armchair. This is extending beyond the mock-up, as we saw last time, doubling in scale, and that was achieved by photocopying the design at 200%, and on A3 paper, joining it in sections, and then cutting out key components of the chair, in this case the arms and the legs, as a template. So heading back to the cutout, and notice these panels here. This is double the scale of the paddle pop sticks, which was used as the key structure for the rails to hold one side of the chair together with the other side in a mortise and tenon slot. Okay, so then from this template, which is in two sections, we then trace it onto the 4mm panel of plywood, and here we have two sections which have been put together as a pair. I'll explain why they are paired up in a moment. But also you can see the rails which have been inserted into, in this case, aligning both the left and the right side of the chair legs together. Okay, so those two panels are these two panels here, but you notice there is a difference between the orientation of the rails there and the rails here. So it's one of two modifications I've made from the mock-up to the actual final model. So standing the mock-up back up and turning around. Okay, so just imagine the support you get from floorboards and the rails that go underneath them. So we've moved from flat rails to rails standing up on their end to improve strength. And the other change that has been made is the length of the rails itself. I've decided that from the mock-up that the width of the chair was too narrow, it would be too tight to sit in. So that's been extended. Not a great deal, but enough to not only improve a level of comfort, but also the aesthetic qualities of the side of the chair matching with the front of the chair. Okay, so we're well on the way now here in the final project for Unit 1. Looking forward to completing and assembling the chair together.